everybody. Before I start my cooking, I want to say a genuine big thank you for all my fans, for all those supporting me. Even on my LS, they come and say hello and thumbs up. Thank you so much for all your great support. You guys are very fantastic. Without you guys, I don't think as a YouTuber I will grow. Thank you for your genuineness. Thank you so much. That is why it's good. We need to be supportive with each other. I go to people LS all around. I click thumbs up and attend. But couple of days I've been doing LS. I haven't seen them. Fine, great, move on, no problem. There are many fishes in the sea. I will catch other people to come and support me. That doesn't make I wouldn't be going to people's LS to thumbs up and leave a comment for them. Thank you so much. Rosie Jabe UK, thank you so much. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you for all your support, guys. Today I'm making a roast chicken. This is the chicken, full chicken for Sunday dinner. So what I did, I put in this is the sauce I'm using. I put in my oil, my oil. I put in my oil in this little container. Then I put in a nutmeg, put in my cinnamon powder, put in my garlic powder, put in my tarragon. Tarragon is very good for chicken, especially when you get the fresh one. I put in my paprika, hot paprika. I put in my grounded powder, garlic and ginger. Ginger is this one. So I put in the parchment for my baking pan, oil down with the oil. So I'm gonna massage this one on the chicken. I don't know if you can see me on the chicken, so I'm gonna massage this on the chicken like that. Then it's okay if I'm doing it for myself. I'm just videoing myself. So putting the chicken here in the pan, in the baking pan. That is the chicken in the baking pan. So it's good if I've got a helper to carry the video for that. I don't mind, I'm okay doing it. So I put in the chicken like this, marinate the chicken, put in all then I use this to do like I'm painting. I'm not painting, I'm painting the chicken. You can see the chicken. I'm painting the chicken, putting the sauce, So guys, then I'm gonna go to the oven. That is the oven here. This is the oven here. Then I'm gonna put on the oven. The chicken will be cooking for an hour. So make sure you don't go and eat what is it, the disease in the chicken if you don't cook it properly? Salmonella. You get salmonella if you don't cook the chicken well. So the chicken gonna be roasting there for an hour. So while the chicken is roasting, I'm gonna have I've chopped up my vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, cauliflower and the leaves, the vegetable that comes with the cauliflower. Cauliflower, guys. Chopped carrot, peeled and already chopped in the pan here. But I'm gonna use my steamer, so I'm gonna eat it with boiled potato. This is the potato here. It's already peeled and washed. It's in the saucepan. When it remains like 30 minutes, that's when I'm gonna start boiling the potato. So I'm gonna use this to put on top of the chicken and on top of the potato when I'm eating it. So I'm gonna fry these tomatoes and onions and garlic to go with the chicken, to eat with the chicken, So guys, then this is the steam I'm gonna use to steam whatever I'm cooking. Let me take off for this away. Put this away. So I hope you guys are having a lovely Sunday and enjoying the weather as well wherever you are. In my own weather here, it's just like raining. Another time it's sunny. Since the beginning of June, we haven't really got a great sunshine here. It's just rain, windy, cloudy, cold. Supposed to be summer where we enjoy the weather, but instead it's just like raining. So what I'm gonna do with this is, let me turn this so that you can see what I'm talking about. Shift this. So right now this is the steamer to steam my vegetable. Okay, I might leave it here because you will see it. Let me wipe off here. Put this in the sink here. So this is my my steamer, to steam my vegetable. I'm gonna use this to steam my vegetable. So this is my steamer, guys. I'm gonna use this to steam the vegetable. So what you do, this is 3-layer steamers. So what you do, you take this one off. Take this one off. You open here. Sorry, you open this place. You open this one and tip in water. So I will now put some water in there, but this is boiling water now. I need a cold water. Sorry, let me get my jug. I got 2 different jugs. Big one. I will use the small one and get some water and tip in inside there. So you tip in the water in the steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you can use your saucepan to boil your vegetable. I like crunchy vegetable. Even when I don't have steamer, when I use my little saucepan like this to cook my vegetable, I don't put too much water, just a little bit water and cover it. So the water is there now, so you cover the water. You got a water level where it will show you the level of the water. This one is where you see the water, the level of the water here. Let me put a little bit more. So putting the water here, then close it. It's closed now. Then I begin to arrange my vegetables in there. Then I'll bring out my spraying olive oil, my spray to spray. If you don't have olive oil, just first of all mix it. Excuse me, because it's already in the water. I soak it down it since in the morning. So this is the vegetable now. So I'm going to begin to load it up in this steamer here. Then it's 3-tier steamer. So I'll put this one down, the vegetable. So guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much, guys. The thing YouTube is telling me now is, if I try to dance back to people, YouTube will not allow me to subscribe. It will be telling me I got more subscribers, I got more subscription than subscribers. So meaning, that is why every day I'm complaining. I've like dance with 50 people, 30 people, but at the end of the day, I get maybe 2, 4 people, 5 people return back to me. So now YouTube, if I want to subscribe now, since on Friday, which is on the 20th, I'll be on the 19th, on the 20th, if I want to subscribe, if I subscribe, say I want to subscribe to people, YouTube will tell me I got too many subscriptions than subscribers. So the people I've danced with are more than the people who have subscribed to me. Are you getting the gist, guys? So if you say you are dancing with me, please dance genuinely. If I dance to you, you need to return back my dance genuinely. So that everything will be in order. It's not like I dance with you, then you don't dance back. That is not fair. A lot of people are there, they are like that. Because each day I keep complaining, I dance with like 4 people, I dance with 4 people, I dance with 40 people, 50 people a day. I wake up in the morning, I do this thing till very late in the night. Then at the end of the day, all I get is only 5 people will return to me. There's one lady called Favor Jazz TV. Yeah, I dance with Favor Jazz TV till today. She hasn't returned my dance, and I keep telling her, I say, Favor, you are not on my subscriber list, and I didn't see Gmail email that sent me email that you subscribe. Once somebody subscribed to you, bang, the thing come. Even few people who I told like that, and they went to redo, and the thing came up. A lot of when I was looking at the list people I've subscribed to, nearly 1,000 plus. Out of that 1,000, It's not even up to 15 people that return back to me. And somebody is saying, go back and go and take your soul and do. I say, I'm not doing it. I will just leave it. If I subscribe to you, didn't dance to me, fine. Good luck to you. YouTuber business is not the end of the world. When you look at this time, this pandemic time, what people have gone through, the way you have seen the life, that even with all your money, this pandemic didn't save a lot of people. So this has shown we human beings to retrieve from our wickedness, our enviness of envying people, jealousy of people. You don't want other people to grow because you are growing. It's not good. It's not good. If you say let's dance and I say okay, you go and dance, and I'm telling you I haven't seen you, that go and do it genuinely. You know the rules and regulations of how to dance with people, how to go and do it genuinely. You know, go and do it genuinely and stop playing pranks with people. It's annoying sometimes, but that is it. You know, you meet good people, you meet bad people. When I was looking at all my list, I took a whole day to write down all the people who subscribe to me, and I took a whole day to write all the people I subscribe to. Right now, my subscribers are 900 and something, right? But the people I've subscribed to that have not come back to me is 1,200. Can you imagine that? We're all YouTubers. Let's be genuine. Let's be real people. Let's be real. Let's be real, because in this 2020, you've seen how the world go. The world was upside down about 4 months now. Yeah, of this pandemic all over the world. You see the way people die with all their money, they die. So people should retrieve from their wickedness. Somebody is doing LS, or somebody, if you watch somebody LS or you go and watch somebody YouTube and you don't like what the person is doing, work out. The person is not forcing you. Don't go and do thumbs down for anybody. I don't do it for people, and don't do it for me, please. Why? So why is that wickedness is too much in we human beings? Wickedness is the order of the day. This coronavirus, if everybody should change, retrieve from their wickedness. Everybody should retrieve from their evil ways and turn to God and repent. Because you know what is happening in this world now, when you look at what has been happening since the beginning of this year and last year, the world is going bonkers. The world is full of evil, wickedness. Human beings have sold their conscience to devil because of money. If you die, how much will they put in your grave to bury you, so you take the money to heaven, or you take the money to hell, wherever you are going? I don't know. So guys, we should all be, we should all be very, very careful. You are a YouTuber, I'm a YouTuber. If we are friends, come always to promote me, come always to support me. If you don't have time, fine, no problem. I'm not complaining about that one. But when I dance with you, dance genuinely with me. And when I'm telling you I haven't seen your subscription, I haven't seen you subscribe, it didn't show, I haven't got email, then you go and redo it, because people don't redo it. You go there, you say you want to dance with somebody. What you do, what you're supposed to do is for you to when you start watching the video, thumbs up, watch the video. When the video finish, at the end, when the video is finished, when you finish watching the video, what you will now do, the way I see other people, and this is the way I do it. When I click on somebody's, I want to dance with you, I go to your house, I look for the shortest video introduction. That is very good. It's very common, among these Filipinos. Very short. There are a lot of people who do short videos. I just go there and look introduction. That one take 1 minute, seconds, go boom. You thumbs up as you are watching it. As when you finish, you subscribe. You go and make your comment relating to that video that you watch. Related to that video that you watch. Some people will say, "Oh, great." I've subscribed to 1,000 something. Yeah, I got 9 subscribers, genuine 900 and something subscribers. Right now, the one that have not returned back to me is 1,000, nearly 300 and 400 and something. I'm like, why are people wicked? Why is a woman being wicked? Woman being, why are you people wicked? Jealousy, hatred. You just begin to hate somebody from nowhere. You don't even know the person from Adam. YouTube, we are there. We're doing competition, hatred everywhere. Disgusting. Especially our people. You know what I mean. People watching this video. Our own people are the worst people. These people that say salamat, people from this, they are very nice, good people, genuine people. But our own people like me, they don't want you to grow. Only themselves, they want to grow and carry all the own money. YouTube will be paying them. I don't depend on YouTube money. Trust me. don't. I was doing it for fun, but I'm not do or die. Oh, if YouTube don't monetize me, I will not survive. No. Let me just tell you people now. You people are pissing me off. So you put on this thing, then you go even to some people's page. People like me, we are from the same side. You're asking them, oh, guy, nobody. We only one lady is the lady who open up and tell me the truth. The rest, they all dance. They just sit down there. They only want themselves to grow to be 1,000, 2 million. You know, sabi that one on a business. You know, I know they take you to chop. So now you twist it to the minute you want the vegetable to cook. Then it will start to steam now. We start steaming. Okay, guys, it's on now. Put it on. We start to steam now. It will cook nicely. So I put the hard vegetable at the bottom. I wouldn't put the carrot because cauliflower is a bit hard. So this one is at the bottom with some of the vegetable anyway. So I'm not supposed to put the vegetable at the bottom. The vegetable is supposed to go up. So as this one is cooking here, yeah, because it starts steaming and bring up this thing. The chicken is cooking and we want it to cook properly. We're gonna take 1 hour to cook on the oven, good 1 hour, so that we don't go and eat some of them. So later, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, I will put the potato on to cook. Then I will not fry this. So guys, keep subscribing and leave your genuine comments on my channel and tell me what you think about my cooking. Somebody was saying today, he said, when are you gonna cook? Are you not gonna I'm doing this silent LS. Very soon I'll be showing my face in my full LS. Every day I wake up, I keep saying it. I will go around everybody, whether you are from my tribe, whether you are not from my tribe, whatever. I saw, as long as I saw you are doing LS, I will just go there, thumbs up, give you thumbs up, make a comment. I'm in the building. Hello everybody. But our own people, they don't, because they don't want you to grow, they will not come to LS. A lot of them are doing LS as well, so they didn't return my subscription. It's really a shame. We are there, we Nigerians, we are here crying, Nigeria is bad, Buhari. The Buhari and the people who are Buhari is ruling, they are all the same character. That's why Nigeria will not go nowhere until everybody repent. Everybody in that society, they have messed themselves. They are the problem of their own problem. I am telling you, that country and the people there. The same character they have here, when you see them, you see my own people here in abroad. My brother, I'm wrong 440. I don't associate myself with, but I associate people from India, Pakistan, English people, Yoruba, Polish, Romania, those people, those kind of people have associated myself. It's very, very shameful. We are crying Nigeria. The Nigerians are their own problem in their own country. And both the politicians, both the rulers, both the people living in that country, they are all contributed to the problem that we are today in that country, that country is in a mess. Nigeria is supposed to be the giant of Africa. Now, it's the mosquito of Africa. It's very, very shameful. There's no honesty in human being nowadays. Nowadays, people are supposed to change their wicked ways. Nowadays, you look at this one. Your money will not give you life. Your money will not cure your sickness if you have any sickness these days. Your money will not cure you. Any sickness you have now, your money will not cure you. So what are you going to do with that money? What are you going to do with that money? I'm asking people. Because if everybody have a cheerful heart, have a lovely heart, have a good heart, not having jealousy spirit, jealousy, enviness, going to stab backside people, gossiping people, denting people image on Facebook. You see them, you see our people there on YouTube, Facebook, or whatever, Instagram. You see them, they are disgracing themselves. When I watch some people video, I just shake and say, these people, do they even go to school at all? Are they educated? Is their brain working, or is something wrong with them? They just go there and be talking, forgetting they are talking to the whole world, to the nation. They are talking in the national television. They are talking, yapping. I'm like, what is wrong with these people? What is wrong with these people? People, make una change, make una change from una wicked ways, una evil ways, make una change. This life, this world we are, or this life that we are all passing. It's a passing phase. We are in a passing phase where our phase will go. Nobody's living in this earth forever and ever. with all your million cannot save you. So it is good, it is high time now in this pandemic, everybody need to repent, everybody need to retrieve back from your wickedness and begin to live a very genuine good life. Love your neighbor, don't criticize people, don't damage people, don't be jealous of anybody, don't let pressure is it pressure group pull you down. My mate is doing past me, I want to do, or peer group, be careful. Be careful, because this life, everybody has a particular time we spend on this earth. That time, every person's time will pass. You see people, they come on YouTube, they say, I'm God. I own tomorrow, I own yesterday, I own every minute. I'm like, really? 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 Guys, thank you very much for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm thanking everybody, all my supporters, all who have, giving me idea to grow my channel. I say thank you, a big thumbs up to you guys. So look, you see now, it's steaming, you see? It's cooking, look. It's cooking. So because I've set it to 30 minutes, how many minutes, then it's steaming. The steam will just cook it, then it will stop by himself. So I'm gonna start cracking on frying my tomatoes and my onions. I'm gonna like drizzle it on top of my chicken. That full chicken today, I'm gonna use my teeth to pieces of the oven. I'm gonna demolish the chicken. Only me and my husband are gonna eat the chicken. Once we roast it, once we finish it, and maybe if it remains small, yes, small tomorrow. And then today I feel like I want to demolish all the whole chicken. I want to eat the chicken. So guys, thank you for your support. Thumbs up for this video. Leave your comments and tell me what you think about my cooking channel. I love you guys. I love you all. Jinkus, thank you. Aaron, DLT or DLT, I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for my genuine friends. People, if you know I subscribe to you, please go and look at your subscription. Return back all my genuine dance I've danced with you, because YouTube is saying I got more subscription than my subscribers. And which is true. When I sat down and check all of them, it's true. I've subscribed to like 1,500, 1,000 something. Only out of that 1,000, it's not even up to 900 of that return back to me. No, I subscribe more than what am I saying? I subscribe more than 2,000 people. Only 900 and something I subscribe back to me. So that's why when if I want to go and dance, now you people will tell me your subscriptions are more than your subscribers. It's a straightforward English. It's a very simple English, very simple and straight English. So guys, keep thumbs up, thumbs up, leave your comments and keep subscribing, please. If you're not subscribed to you and you didn't return, but go and do it genuinely, please, because right now I'm just telling you what I'm going through right now, what I'm experiencing. I look at the list of people I've subscribed to, 2,000 plus, only 900 are returned to me. What is the 1,000 plus that has not returned to me? Which means YouTube is saying the truth. So guys, keep safe and thanks. Salamat and bye guys. Thank you guys. Thank you now. Go away. Go.